Hello, welcome to TOYSREVIL. I'm going to do a unboxing of Miss Rainbow. This is a figure I bought quite a while back. This is a 2013 release figure, and I think I've kept this for as long as that duration. When I purchased this at Singapore Comic Con or STGCC back then from FluffyHouse themselves when they had a booth. And yeah, I've not unboxed it since buying then. So what I'm going to do today is unbox this figure. Okay, so I apologize in advance if there's pauses on the video, because every time it seems the connection here is not great, or if suddenly the video recording is cut off because the phone is too hot. Now I have a fan right here on this side blowing at the phone camera, so hope everything goes smooth lah. Ooh, look at the plastic has turned yellow. Ooh, wow, you don't really see here, but the white surface has gone yellow as well. Let me open this up. Bits and pieces falling out. Let me see the card. Miss Rainbow card, who is always cheerful. Okay, nice. The little chick wrapped, yeah, a bit dusty though, tricky. It shouldn't be dusty because it's in a box. So this is the figure. I don't know if you can see here, it's obvious. Yeah, it's tainted and degraded, if you want to call it degraded. Wow. Okay lah, let's just go through this. This is the figure. You can see, do a quick turnaround before I talk about the obvious. Cute. Adorable lah. So you can see from this image here, if it's that clear to you, this is the original white of the surface. The skin, so-called skin, the hands, legs, and unfortunately it's supposed to be for the cloudy head, but now it's stained with splotches. Oh, I can wipe them off. Give me a moment. Can it be wiped off? Sorry, I'm a bit gross, but okay, can be wiped off. I just need to, I don't know if I'll get a wet cloth or a wet wipe, but I'll attempt to wipe this off later on. I don't have the cloth with me right now. I'll attempt to wipe this clean and post still images on my Instagram lah. Yeah, it's a bit of a waste. It's because she's quite a cutie, and yeah, the you can see the stain, the white here. I don't know if you can see clearly the white here, and this stained yellow by itself. It's not been on display. Yes, sad man, not been on display. It's been in a box for all this while. So I guess it's 2013. Yeah, it's a decent decade, a decent 10 years. So yeah, once in a while check out your toys, even if it's in box format. Let me look at this. You can see the clear plastic here. You can see the stains a little bit all around. You can see the clear plastic here, and you can see the surface here that it's turned yellow. I don't know if you can see it. This is yellowed, man. Ooh, it's sticky. Yeah, this is sticky, man. Yeah, sticky. Yeah, put this aside lah. Heartbreaking. So with this, I figured I will try and wipe it clean. And when I do, and if I can wipe it clean, I'll put this up for sale. So anybody, feel free to DM me with your suggested bid for this figure, excluding shipping. Shipping I'll count separately, depending on where you are. Ooh, a bit dusty. So yeah, this little girl needs a little bit of cleanup, and hope the cleanup can happen soon. Let's have a look at little chick. I can't describe this enough. It is sticky. You can see the sticky tape has degraded as well. I don't really want to open it, but I think I should, in case I need to clean it as after this as well. And frankly, I don't know what agent to use to clean. Sorry girl, I don't know what agent that I can use to clean without messing up the colors or the surface. So it's a hit and miss lah. So I will say I leave this up for sales, for bids, but at the same time I'll double confirm it when after I clean it and see how it goes. Oh man, the sticky tape. Can you see the sticky tape here? Turn yellow. Sorry man. That's the one thing which, I mean, it's ultra sad that my toys that I collect has changed its condition. But on the other hand, what intrigues me as well is because I have these toys that are old enough that I can see their condition. And it's something I don't really talk about much on TOYSREVIL, but as we move forward, yeah, I might well be talking more about this. And it's quite okay, quite decent. Is it sticky? Not really. I think it's just the plastic that's sticky. But this little chick is adorable lah. Ayo. If I keep this figure, it's for the chick. Does it come with? No, I mean I look at the box. I look at the box, it's just beside. Yeah. I mean I imagine now, if this was a release now, that it would be magnets. A magnetized little chick that I could like stick on her, you know. I imagine that. And that will be quite fun. Maybe not like this lah. I'm overthinking it, but yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to do. Unbox this figure and see the conditions. And now that I've seen it, I will attempt to clean it, and yeah, and I'll post the result on still images on my Instagram. And with that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next review ish very soon. Bye bye.